Hi everyone, it's Anne Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a project share and I'm super excited to do my VR for Kayla's pocket letter challenge. I have never created a pocket letter and this is my first one. So Kayla, just know you made me step out of my comfort zone. There's no time like 2020 to do something brand new. I always said I would never do one, but here I am showcasing my first pocket letter ever. I did actually start off with crafting wise with Project Life, and this was kind of tapping into my old stomping grounds, although I only did it for like a year and then I went into a Happy Meal. So here it is. I created a little belly band, and for the most part, I used Prima Sugar Cookie because it was the collection that I had, and was what I was working on. And I did a simple little, I don't know, layering here. Gold snowflake, a little white doily. I just added some ephemera piece and this little Merry Christmas, layered Merry Christmas that I love using, and some little gemmies on the side. And I'm just gonna slide this off, and here's my pocket letter, you guys. So I did add this little swan beaded tassel because I love it and I thought it was so cute with it and the colors were perfect, and I did do a tutorial on this and I will leave that link down below. I also added this really pretty peach colored trim on the side. I did punch holes because I know that this goes into a binder, so I don't know. And let's go through each layer of this pocket letter. So I'm going to start off with the first row, and I'm not sure if you're supposed to add tape on the top to prevent the cards from coming out, but anyways, I did use most of the cut aparts in the Sugar Cookie collection, and I thought that they were really just perfect because it's already come gold foiled, and I just did some simple stitching. Here I took this cupcake one and I added a little pink and white frame on top. I added some diamond dots on the cupcake to look like frosting or little sprinkles, and we touched upon it with some washi tape, my old stomping ground, and then here's a little sequence that I just added to give it dimension. I used this adorable deer cut apart, and I added this little pink bow that was gifted to me by Angela in a group swap who's loved pink dragonflies, and I love how this came out. And let's start off with the second row. Here is another cut apart. All I did was stitch it, and I did a little snowflake stitching on the bottom because I love that stitch. And I added some this acetate piece, which I think came out super cute. I have this little shaker pocket here because I think that's what a lot of people do in the center, and I love that look of just keeping it clear. I did add this little crocheted star, which was gifted to me by Alicia's Crafty Hopla. I love this. It's so pretty. I just added a little bow and a little snowflake on top. Here is an ephemera piece, and all I did was put together this little ice skate, and this is a new die that I had in my stash, and I'll just show you the die. Oh, sorry for the shaking. Here is the die that I used. This is from Sizzix, and I purchased this from Hobby Lobby, and here are all the little pieces. I'm sorry for the glare, and I thought it came out super cute. It's super itty bitty, and I love the sparkle paper, and yeah, thought she could pull this off if she wanted to use it as a little embellishment. And then, oopsie, something came out. See, I'm not sure if you're supposed to tape it, but the last row that I have is this one here. Again, I did some simple stitching all around. I put a layer of washi, 2 layers of washi. I love that. And again, I added some leaf stitching on the bottom. I'm not sure if you could see that. Here I just added a little cut apart, but then I did add an embellishment that I recently created on top because I've seen people do that, just add the layers on top. Here's another one, You Are Sweet Like Sugar Cookie. I added this little poinsettia that I created on top, and a little puffy sticker. And then in the back, for the most part, I kept it really simple because I know this, like, you have to keep it really flat, otherwise it kind of gets too bulky and it falls out anyways. Here I added a little resin Christmas tree that I created, a little award banner that I created, some of those hearts, layered house, kind of just embellishments that I put together. And this is a die from In Love Art Shop. Here I added some gemmies. Here I added some die cuts for her. Again, this whole bottom layer is full of little itty bitty gemmies because I wanted to keep it fairly flat and simple, but wanted to hook my girl up. So that is it for my project share, and I hope it wasn't a complete, I don't think it was that bad, but I hope it was inspiring, and I hope you go and support Kayla. I will leave her video again down below, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.